Hello and welcome to my channel. We are studying exception handling tutorial. In this video we will see errors and exceptions in Python. Errors are mistakes or fault present in your program that causes your program to fail, means it will not run completely or it will produce an output which is not expected, means your actual output is different than the expected output. You have various types of error in Python. First is syntactical error or parsing error. If you do not follow the proper syntax of the language, the error which is produced is a syntax error or parsing error. This error occurs before running of the program. For example, in this case, we are writing a for loop. Inside a for loop, we haven't given colon. So inside the block, we have printed the value I, but colon is missing. This will throw an error which is called as syntax error. You can see error is syntax error. If you see the trace back, it will show at what point syntax error is present. So it has given some description about the error and what position the error has occurred. It has also displayed. Second type of error are called as exception. Error which occurred during the runtime of the program are called as exception. Why this error occurs? Your programmer has written the program completely, but if your user provides incorrect input or resource which you are using, for example file or network, if they are not present, then your program will not produce the output which was intended, or it will fail or terminate or crash. Then that error is called as a exception. Whenever this type of runtime error occurs, Python creates exception object. If it is not handled properly, then prints the traceback of that error along with some details about the error. Let's check this with the example. First, we are seeing file not found error. In this case, we are trying to open a file which is not present. So within the with clause, we are opening exception.txt. Mode of opening the file is not specified, therefore it will be read, and information of that file is present in file handle f. Within the with block, we are printing the content of the file. For I in f, print I. Click on the cell and run the cell. You can see error is produced. If you see it has information of the error, no such file or directory, exception.txt, error object, file not found error, and the point at which the error occurred. It has occurred at line number 1. Next type of error, built-in, which is a built-in error, zero division error or divide by zero error. In this case, we are dividing 1 by 0. It is not allowed. When you click on the cell and run the cell, it shows that it creates a object, error object, exception object, zero division error. It is divide by zero error, division by zero error, and it has occurred at line number 1. Name error. Here in this case, we are using a spam variable which is not declared locally or globally, means value is not present for spam variable. Therefore, if you see the error trace back, spam is not defined. It is a name error. It has occurred at line number 1. In the next example, we are adding a string to a number which is not allowed, therefore type error. Click on the cell and run the cell. You can see it displays type error, cannot concatenate string to a integer. If you see the error trace back, it has exception object type error. Description about the error, can only concatenate string, not into string, and line number at where the error has occurred, which resulted in the failure of our program. You also have stop iteration built-in error. Here you have a iterator, which is a list which can be iterated upon. Using iter function, we are creating a iterator object. Click on the cell and run the cell. Using the next method, we can iterate over this iterator. So we call the next method on obj, it printed 10. Again we call next method on obj, it printed 20. Similarly, till the iterator object doesn't exhaust, we call the next method. Again, if we call the next method, it will throw an error which is stop iteration error. When your iterator is exhausted, this error exception occurs and it shows stop iteration error and line number where the error has occurred. You have two types of exception: built-in exceptions and user-defined exception. If in your program you want on certain condition exception to be thrown, then you will create your user-defined exception by inheriting exception class of a built-in exception. Moving on, we will see next type of error, logical error. In this case, your program runs successfully. It does not throw any exception, but your output which is produced is not equivalent to the expected output. Means your actual output is different and expected output is also different. Then your program is said to have logical error. Let us understand this by example. Here we have a program for printing factorial of a number. Click on the cell and run the cell. If we provide input to this program, suppose we want to find factorial of 5, the output is 0. Means it is running incorrectly. It has not it does not have any syntactical error. It haven't thrown any exception, but still it is producing incorrect output. Means it contains logical error. What is the logical error here? We are running I in from 0 and we are multiplying it to fact. So every time I is incremented, 0 is multiplied to it is getting multiplied by 0 and stored in fact. So when you start this range function from 1 and run till num plus 1, it will run 5 number of times. Respectively, factorial will be computed and stored in fact variable, and in last it will be printed. Click on the cell and run the cell. At every we give 5 as an input, it produces 120 at the output. Means it ran successfully. Logical error was removed, which was we were multiplying fact by 0 and storing in fact variable. In next case we updated it. So we have seen what are errors. They are mistakes or faults in your program which results in failure of your program. If they are not handled correctly, your actual output of the program will be different and expected output of your program will be different, or it will fail. We have seen exception and some example of exception like file not found exception, zero division error exception, name exception, type exception, stop iteration exception. We have also seen difference between built-in and user-defined exception. Built-in exception are present already. There is a list of exceptions which are present. You can see the documentation. User-defined exception is created by the programmer when he wants on a certain input. You can inherit an exception class from built-in exception and define your own type of exception. That's it for this video. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Do hit that subscribe button for more such technical content. See you in the next video.